Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, August 27th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about QuickSilver Wealth Accelerated, a global opportunity. But before I get started, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. Now, with all that being said, QuickSilver Wealth Accelerated. This is an awesome opportunity, all right? It's a global opportunity. We're in 29 countries, and the owners continue expanding our reach, all right? So I actually put this down on some paper here, the countries that we're in, all right? If you live in any of these countries, you can partake in this opportunity, which I'm going to talk about here in a minute. The USA, Aruba, Australia, Bahamas, Barbados, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Iceland, Ireland, Italy, Luxembourg, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Trinidad and Tobago, United Kingdom, England, Scotland, and Wales. All right, if you live in any of those countries, you can partake in QuickSilver opportunity, the business and opportunity. And what it is, it's a precious metals company where you get silver and gold. We have copper, we have platinum. You get this delivered right to your door every single month. And then you have the opportunity to earn additional income by sharing it with other people. All right, the company pays 7 different ways that you can earn with QuickSilver. And that's on top of stacking silver and gold and building wealth, growing your investment portfolio by getting tangible assets in the mail delivered to you each month, right? So it's a no-brainer. And the cool thing is that silver, I'm just going to talk about silver because it's called QuickSilver, but gold is included in this. It's currency accepted all over the world, right? You don't have to go, I mean, if you went to Canada and brought gold and silver, it's the same amount of money there as it is here in the United States, right? There's no currency exchange. It's accepted globally, right? It's the first money that was ever here, right? It's God's money. It's from the earth. So that's an awesome thing. And just the fact that you're building your investment portfolio. And you know what? You can just be a preferred customer. If you want to come in here and just sign up customers, share the opportunity and be a customer and just have silver or gold or whatever you choose delivered to your door each month because you want to build your investment portfolio, that's fine. You know, you don't have to do the opportunity side of this. But the opportunity side of this is affordable for everyone, all right? It's for $9.97 a month. You get your own wealth platform where you'll have your own precious metals shop that you can share and 7 different ways that you can earn, right? The company also has an additional marketing system where you get a free 7-day trial, and then it's $7.77 a month that has capture pages, it has an autoresponder, it has a survey. You give away free silver, okay? So like, here's one of my business cards, free silver. All right, simply take a look and you can get a free silver bar delivered to you. All right, so if you go to silverstackingempire.com, you can see how this all works. This is one of the capture pages from the company where you can go and give away free silver bars. All right, the customer just pays, I think it's like $2.74 if you live in the US to have it shipped. But you'll get a free silver bar just for taking a tour of the opportunity, right? So you're giving away something of value for free to get people to take a look at your opportunity. And then once they get put into the system, once they enter their information into the capture pages, they're put into the marketing system, and the system does all the selling and telling for you and follows up on your behalf. All right, they send out, I think it's 13 or 14 emails over, like a 7-week period. And then in your back office in the marketing system, you can broadcast emails to your entire list. Or if you just want to send an email to a specific person, you can do that as well. This is a no-brainer, folks, okay? I mean, all the experts expect a huge run here in the very near future with silver and gold. All right? And if you look, I mean, silver is used in everything, right? It's used in electronics. Your cell phone has silver in it. Your computers have silver in it. Our televisions have silver in it. Tableware is made of silver. Jewelry is made of silver. The medical industry uses silver. Solar panels are made from silver or have silver in them. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on and on. What, all the applications that silver is used in, right? So it's in high demand. And we all know when it's a limited supply, because the government can't reprint silver, there's a limited supply and there's a huge demand for it, increases the price of it, right? So for the 5,000 years that silver's been used, it's never gone to zero in value. It's always maintained its value. And it continues, it's on an upward trend and has been for thousands of years, right? So it's a safe investment. It's a hedge against inflation. It helps your dollar bill. Our dollar bills aren't worth anything. And the more that the government prints, the more money that the government prints, the more our dollar bill is devalued, right? So what you can buy today for $1, next year at this time, you're not going to be able to buy the same thing as you are today for that same amount of money, right? Because the value of our dollar bill just continues to go down. It's backed by basically nothing. All right? The dollar bill has lost 97% of its purchasing power since 1913. But silver and gold continue to go up in value. So this is an absolute no-brainer. For those of you who are looking for, well, one of two things, or both. If you want to just build your investment portfolio and start stacking silver and gold, or if you're looking for a home-based business, this is the best home-based business. All right, it makes the most sense. You're not trying to get people to buy potions and lotions and other products or services that they really don't need, right? I've signed up dozens of people into this opportunity already, and I've only had 4 people not take any action and quit. The retention rate is unbelievable because you're getting something in value delivered to your door every single month, and you can order up to $2,000 worth of silver and gold and have it shipped to your door every single month. It's totally up to you. And then when you first sign up, you can select anything from $8.97 for 1/10 of an ounce of silver all the way up to 10 coins. And then once you're inside your back office, you can manage your auto shipment and you can order up to $2,000. And if you want bigger orders, you just contact support and let them know. But the company's been around since 2019. All right, so 6 years they've been in business. They continue to improve everything for everybody who's a part of the company. And this is seriously still at ground floor level. Not many people know about this opportunity. All right, but it's solid. Everything is insured. All right, even when they pack up shipments to go out, it's done under surveillance. So there's no BS. You don't have to worry about rug pulls or anything like that. And it's in 29 countries. And it's affordable for everybody. I mean, if you come in, $9.90, if you want to come in and just be a customer, that's awesome. All right, that's awesome. You're taking steps to build your wealth. All right, with actual physical, tangible assets. But if you want to come in and partake in the business side of this as well, it's $9.97 a month for your wealth platform. You can order as little as $8.97 a month for auto shipment for silver, 1/10 of an ounce, okay? And then if you want the optional marketing system, it's $7.77 a month. So for less than $30 a month, not only are you building your investment portfolio by stacking silver and gold, you have your own precious metals business where the compensation plan pays you 7 different ways, up to 7 different ways. and it can be super lucrative for those who go out there and share this opportunity with other people. All right, and I mean, I'm talking very lucrative. Just in bonuses alone, just in we have wealth cycles, okay? That's one thing. One of the ways you get paid is in our wealth cycles. All right, so whenever you have 100 points on your right leg and your left leg, you earn a $10 wealth cycle. You can earn up to $20,000 a month just in wealth cycles. All right, and when you're at that level, you're gonna get an additional $5,000 bonus. So you can earn just from wealth cycles and bonuses $25,000 a month. That's not including your customer acquisition bonuses, your challenge pack bonuses, if you're double qualified for the double challenge bonuses. We have leadership bonuses. We have the wealth cycle matching bonuses. I mean, it just goes on and on. All right, it's just a solid company, right? And like I said, silver's in very much in demand right now, and all the experts are saying that it's going to go on a huge run sometime in the very near future. And there's no better time to get into this opportunity. It's still ground floor, right? And you know, a lot of people sometimes they're like, oh, it's already been around 6 years. I'm not, you know, it's already saturated. Well, I'm going to tell you something right now. And I know I talk about Brian Carruthers a lot. He's one of my mentors, all right? He joined Legal Shield when Legal Shield was 26 years old, right? Legal Shield had already been in business for 26 years when he joined Legal Shield. And he says all of his family told him, you know, you're not going to make any money. All of the people he knew in the marketing world said, you're not going to make any money. It's already saturated. It's been in business for decades. You're not going to do anything. You know what Brian Carruthers is today? He's the top earner in Legal Shield. All right. In his first year, he was making $40,000 a month. Okay. So, and he just got a $2 million ring. So he makes over $2 million a year now with Legal Shield. All right. So you imagine if he would have just said, oh, you know what? Listen to these people that didn't know what the hell they were talking about and went, you know what? They're right. Why should I even invest my time and put effort into this? I'm not going to make any money. It's already been around for 26 years. I'm just going to continue doing what I'm doing. Imagine that. You can't don't ever listen to people that have no clue what they're talking about. All right. I know family, they try to be helpful and they try to, you know, they're sincere and they really truly want to help you and they want the best for you most of the time. But if they haven't been involved in the work from home space and they've never done anything to better their lives themselves, why would you go and take their advice? Right? If they're living paycheck to paycheck and you have goals and ambitions to go and break free from the 9-to-5 rat race and to build your own empire, why would you take advice from somebody who's living paycheck to paycheck and has never done anything to better themselves? Why would you do that? Right? It doesn't make any sense. So the point of that is that we've only been around six years. That's nothing. Right? That's nothing. It's still ground floor. I'm telling you, it's still ground floor. Most people don't even know about this opportunity. And it's a solid opportunity. There's no BS. There's no BS. And like I said, the owners are transparent. We have weekly calls that you can invite people to, overview calls. 2 of them the company does. 2 of them, there's some members of QuickSilver who put these calls together and do them. Very good calls. Tonight we have a call for wealth ambassadors. So if you're a wealth ambassador, you can be on the call tonight. And that's from the owner, a training from the owner. I mean, it doesn't get any better. And it's exciting because you're getting a real physical product. So regardless of if you go and refer anybody, you're still building your investment portfolio by stacking silver and gold if you choose to. Right? It's just a win-win all the way around. It's just a win-win all the way around. And with being in 29 countries, you can build teams all over the place. I'll read those to you again because I was driving when I was looking at this sheet. But basically, USA, Aruba, Australia, Bahamas, Barbados, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Iceland, Ireland, Italy, Luxembourg, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Trinidad and Tobago, United Kingdom, England, Scotland, and Wales. And they're expanding all the time. All right? And we have super cool marketing tools. So if you don't like making videos like I do, right? Or if you don't like being on social media, or if you really want to just go, you know, full blown, you can do both like I do, you know, create content on social media and then do direct mail marketing. Now, I only put a small stack together of these last night, but I'm still going to the post office, right? I'm showing up every day and taking action. Then we have drop cards and we have business cards, all right? You're giving away free silver just for them to take a look at the opportunity. You know how cool that is? What other company does that? Offers something free that has real value just for taking a look at the opportunity. All right? I'm telling you, if you take action, stay focused, stay committed to showing up every day, taking massive action every day, right? Doing your income producing activities like I talk about, getting a minimum of 2 exposures to your opportunity every single day, and staying consistent with that, you can build an empire. All right? You can build an empire with this. The compensation plan is off the charts. It's super lucrative. Super lucrative for action takers, right? And it's a team build. So you're going to earn money from people that you refer, people that they refer, people that they refer. You're going to earn infinite, right? You can have 1,000, legs underneath you, and you're going to earn from every single person underneath you in your downline. It's incredible. And that's just one of the ways to earn out of 7, right? So QuickSilver Wealth Accelerated, this is a global opportunity. It's the number one opportunity. It's the number one opportunity, right? And you're foolish not to be a part of it, all right? And not only that, the company will take part of their profits and they feed hungry children who are in need, all right? So think about that. That's awesome too. But anyway, I've gone on long enough. I like to keep these around 10 minutes, and I see we're going on 18 minutes now. So that's it for this video. If you find value in any of my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And feel free to share this. You might not be interested in it, but you might know somebody who does. So feel free to share this video or any of my videos. I truly appreciate that. All of that helps me out a lot. And yeah, so that's it. Check it out. Go to silverstackingempire.com. silverstackingempire.com. There'll be a link down below this video. All right, go take the tour, get your free piece of silver. If that's all you do, just get a free piece of silver, and reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. All right, so I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.